Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Precious Metal Summit 2018 here in Zurich. And now with me here is US Gold, Ed Karr, the CEO. And of course, we want to have an update on this terrific company. Ed, welcome.
Thank you, Jochen. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for taking the time. US Gold, you are working in the US, of course, as the name indicates. You have gold and copper projects. So maybe you give us a short update about what's going on.
Sure, I'd be happy to. So November of 2018, we've had a pretty busy, active year this year. We drilled at Copper King. That's our advanced stage gold exploration project in Wyoming. Had 8 drill holes, put out a release on that. We were quite encouraged because 5 of those 8 holes hit a western step-out zone of mineralization. And as you know, the Copper King deposit has been around for quite some time. The general belief in the industry was the deposit was really defined. Currently, our PEA shows about 1.1 million ounces MII gold, 300 million pounds of copper, and we've now proven that there's upside. Copper King has a high-grade core center surrounded by a lower-grade halo. So we've added to that lower-grade halo. None of this is in an updated resource report yet, but it shows us that there is blue sky upside to the deposit. And we're very, very encouraged with that.
So it needs just a bit more drilling.
Needs more drilling, exactly. We've also put out a press release, Jochen, that we have engaged Datamine software out of Denver, Colorado. So we are incorporating right now all of the historic drill results plus this new drilling from this year into this exploration model. This should be done in the next month or so. This will give Dave Mathewson and our entire geological team, real clear ideas where we go geologically now for future exploration. And it'll show the deposit in 3D. We'll have a lot of great representations of what this looks like going into production.
Fantastic. Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to say, because you're on the path to move this into production, right?
Yeah, we really are.
What do you think might be a realistic time frame? I know it's a forward-looking statement, but just an estimation maybe.
Look, I think first thing we have to do on this pathway towards production with Copper King is file our mine plan permit. And quite honestly, we're not ready to file our mine plan permit yet because we want to see how big the resource can get. So a little more exploration work, getting this information into the Datamine software is a first step on that. Very important. 2019, depending on how these results come back, most likely some more exploration drilling. Then let's say by the second half of 2019, we could be in a position to file that mine permit. That will take anywhere from 18 to 24 months to get approved. So that's your time frame right there to have a potential pathway towards production.
Fantastic. And what was the CapEx estimate on it? Maybe you can remind our viewers on that.
Absolutely. CapEx from the latest PEA is estimated $113 million US.
That's manageable.
So quite reasonable, quite manageable. We have a lot of interest already from various strategics to put up project financing. So we're very comfortable with that number.
Fantastic. Okay, then let's move to Keystone. What's going on there?
Keystone, look, it's been a busy year. One of the biggest things that happened at Keystone in Nevada is we applied for our EA. We filed an environmental assessment. And at the end of September, early October, the BLM granted our plan of operations. So that's been great, big milestone for us. That means the entire district now is open for exploration. We have advanced our POO bond, so our reclamation bond, giving us 200 acres of disturbance. So really the entire district is open and we're very excited. This is the first time in the last 3 years that we've been able to really get to some of these defined drill targets. So Dave Mathewson, Ken Coleman, our entire exploration team has been working diligently. We've put out a press release just recently outlining these targets. So I invite all the viewers to go look at that. Real rationale. We have some of the best geophysics, geochemistry, soil samples that we've seen anywhere on the project. So these are real targets. Up until this point, as you know, Jochen, at Keystone, it's really been scout hole drilling to understand the geology, the stratigraphy.
To get a sense of the property, right?
Exactly. Understand, is the system even there? And the answer to that is a resounding yes. And now, in the autumn of 2018, we are really going for it. We're trying to put some shots on net and hit a discovery. So yeah, it's an exciting time for us.
Super.
The one limitation we have, it's early November. And as you know, the weather comes in at Keystone probably around Thanksgiving, the end of this month. The property gets snowed up and that's going to be it. So we think we'll have about a 3 to 4 week window. And we have a drill rig on site right now. We are out drilling literally as we speak. And we are trying to come with a major fundamental discovery.
Fantastic. When do you think we could imagine some results?
We are very hopeful to have these assays back by the end of this year.
Oh, wow, that would be fast.
Maybe it'll be a very, very happy new year for all of us
maybe
at
you
US
want to
Gold
give us
Corp.
a nice Christmas present.
Exactly.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
Well, Ed, thank you very much. That's fantastic. That sounds like things are really moving. And yeah, we look forward to your news then. And I would say keep the drills turning as fast as possible. Give us results. And definitely, we need more copper in the world.
Yeah, we really do. Thanks so much, Jochen. Appreciate the update.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was Ed Karr, the CEO of US Gold. And you heard it. The drills are turning. Hopefully results before Christmas from Keystone, but also on Copper King. Phenomenal good results. Things are really progressing. Things are really moving on the path to production and absolutely manageable. You heard it. $130 million is the capex estimated by now from the latest PEA or from the last PEA. So that's absolutely doable. And I would suggest check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.